How's it going, everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is day 2 of the 7-day plant-based challenge. So for anyone following along, I'm going to be sharing what I'm eating and some great recipes. And just before I do that, I'm going to briefly touch on the workout I'm going to do. It's 10 a.m. right now and I'm about to do this workout. It's one of my favorites, so I'm just going to tell you what it is real quick here. All you need for this workout is a pull-up bar and a staircase. So if you have those two things, you can do this workout. It's just going to be 4 rounds. I'm going to start off with a set of pull-ups, maybe around 15 pull-ups. I'm going to run up and down the stairs 5 times, then 25 push-ups and 25 jump squats, and then a 1-minute rest, and then just repeat that for 4 rounds. So it's a really great full body workout. It gets the upper body, the lower body, the cardio. And if you want to see more workouts, check out my workout playlist, because a lot of the workouts you don't need any equipment whatsoever. And even if you're a beginner, you could do a lot of those workouts. So make sure you check that out if you want some good workouts. So I'm going to do this workout and I'll be back real soon with what I'm going to eat for my first meal at noon.
At noontime, I put together my first of 2 meals for the day, and I had a big smoothie and some oatmeal. So in the smoothie, I had 2 frozen bananas, about 1.5 cups of frozen pineapple, a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I had 3 dates that were soaked in water, and a couple of scoops of Superfood by Nature and Muscles by Nature. Those are the Dr. Robert Morse powdered greens and fruits and berries. And then I made 2 servings of oatmeal, and I put in 2 bananas, a sliced up apple, some almond milk, some cacao powder, and a handful of walnuts and some cinnamon. It's one of my favorite recipes for oatmeal. And here's what it looked like. It's about 1 liter of smoothie. I started to eat it already, and then I took this video, and there's the oatmeal. Then at 6 o'clock, it was time for dinner. So I started off with a bowl of grapes. I put together a big, huge green salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, tomato, avocado, celery, and raisins. And I had a couple of bowls of this Thai soup. It's one of my favorite recipes. Here's the link, so definitely check that out and try it and tell me what you think. So that was it for the day. I'll be back tomorrow on day number 3. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know what you had and how did it go. I'm feeling really good. I'll be doing another workout tomorrow and having 2 more meals. So I hope everyone has a great night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.